Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide your home screen pages on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my settings app and then let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me close the settings app. So let's start. So you can see guys, I'm at my home screen and I have three home screen pages. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. At the bottom you can also see 1, 2 and 3. So let me go to my main home screen page. So in order to hide your home screen pages on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to tap and hold on this blank space of your home screen until you see the jiggle mode. So let me tap and hold on this blank space and you can see I have this jiggle mode. And after that guys, you have to tap on this dots over here. So let me tap on this and you can see I have this edit pages screen opened. And you can see I have three home screen pages. You might have more or less. So just go to the home screen page that you want to hide. So I want to hide this home screen page. And after that guys, you have to tap on this, check button under the home screen page that you want to hide. And you have to uncheck that. So let me uncheck this by tapping on it. And you can see it's now unchecked. So suppose if I want to hide this home screen page also, then I need to uncheck this, box under this home screen page. So let me uncheck that because I want to show you. You can see it's now unchecked. And after you're done guys, just tap on this done button at the top right. So let me tap on this done button at the top right. And again you have to tap on this done button at the top right. So let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I only have one home screen page. You can see this is the first one, and if I swipe to the left, I have this app library. Okay, so let me go to my home screen, and also at the bottom you can see I don't have any option to go to other home screen pages. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily hide your home screen pages on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.